Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Squad Busters game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Squad Buster game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorials, after which you will be taken into the home page. Now if you wish to change your username, just tap on the account icon at the top left corner, and now you will see your player profile. Tap on the user ID and the edit button alongside it, and you will be allowed to type in your desired username. After typing in your desired username, tap on the confirm button and your username will be changed within your profile right away. You may need to reach a certain rank before you are allowed to change your username, however. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.